Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here, coming at you with another great video of mine. On this video, we're going to be working on a 2007 Land Rover LR3. She's nice, she's beautiful, she could be yours. So what the scenario that's playing out on this particular vehicle is, we have a rough idle and an engine code P050B. Yes, I did remember that. Thank you. So when the vehicle is idling, it's idling pretty rough. We are fluctuating right at 100 RPMs up to 1,000, and it's just steady fluctuating like that. Every now and then, not a lot, it will cut off on me. I just got this bad boy from the auction yesterday, so I didn't really have time to check it out while I was there, because this particular auction, they are real good at letting me know if there's anything wrong with it, but they somehow let this one slip by, and I kind of trusted them on it, but hey, it happens to the best of us, even it happens to me, so it's whatever. I gotta fix it. Enough of that. So when I got it back to the shop, we had the rough idle going on. I noticed we was low on gas. I didn't know what type of gas the previous owner was putting in it, so I go ahead and filled her up. I know that she takes premium, so I put premium in there. Took her down the highway, opened her up, let it rip, came back, still had the rough idle. Kind of lost at that point, didn't really know where to go, because there wasn't no other codes coming up with it to let me know if anything else was broke or wrong or electrical. So I started with the basics, checked the air filter on it. The air filter was good, and then that's when I went to the airflow match sensor right past the filter, and it was god awful bad. It had a bunch of gunk on there. You could probably get by with just cleaning it. You got your filter and then your mass airflow sensor there. It's pretty easy to take out star drives, pull it out, clean it. They do make special cleaner for it, but I know from experience that if this is dirty, your throttle body, it's also going to be dirty. So I took my throttle body loose. There's a cover on top that I am missing here. I got to put it back on. It's 4 bolts holding the throttle body in there. Take your air duct loose. You got a gasket on the back side, don't lose it. You got a water line, an inlet and an outlet that's actually hooked up to your throttle body. You don't have to worry about taking it loose unless you're replacing it, but we're just cleaning it. You can leave it connected. It's pretty easy. You got enough play on there to get your cleaner and clean it. The actual valve and your throttle body there, it says not to push on it or move it because it can get it out of calibration. Me personally, I actually did move it a little bit so I could clean all that gunk around there, because it was real bad in there. And after I cleaned it, I put it all back together, hooked my plugs and everything back on it, cranked her up, and right away I had a good clean idle, wasn't fluctuating no more. It drove good. And I was pretty happy after that. For the mass airflow cleaner, I got the CRC. You can get this at your local Advance Auto. And for the throttle body and air intake cleaner, also made by CRC, you can also get this at your local Advance Auto. This particular scenario, it worked on me. It might not work on yours. So if you're still having issues with yours, leave me a comment, message me. I'll try to see if I can help you out with your particular scenario. And like my video, subscribe. I'm always making fun-filled videos for everybody. Thank you. Bobby B out.